Namaste. I am Kavita Kesharia, founder and educator at Arogyam Yoga Institute and Nutrition Center. We all know that lockdown has been lifted up and unlock one has begun with all the different experiences for all of us. We will have to resume back to our routine and we will have to get back to our new normal with a few precautions like wearing mask and gloves. But is your inner self ready? Is your immune system ready to fight with COVID-19 and the challenges lined up for all of us? Let us learn technique Swashan Makshuddhi. When we talk about Swashan Makshuddhi, Swashan is breathing. Marg is the track or the passage. Shuddhi is cleansing process. So we cleanse our respiratory system with this kriya and we improve our immune system. In Swashan Makshuddhi, we do normal Kapalbhati and fast Kapalbhati. Normal Kapalbhati and fast Kapalbhati is really fast and forceful. We will do 10 stroke of normal Kapalbhati and fast Kapalbhati in different postures to cleanse our respiratory system. To start with, Sthiti Dandasana. Slowly fold your right leg and sit on your right heel. Now fold your left leg and sit on your left heel. Sit in Vajrasana. We will start with alternate nostril Kapalabhati. Adopt Nasika Mudra. Right thumb and ring finger we will use for alternate nostril Kapalabhati. Close your right nostril. Inhale and exhale once. Now with deep inhalation, expand your thorax. Relax for a while. Feel the Keval Kumbhak. Now close your left nostril with ring finger. Inhale once. Exhale complete. Now with deep inhalation, expand your thorax and start. Feel the Keval Kumbhak again. Feel relaxed. Retention of breath for few seconds. We'll start with both the nostril Kapalabhati. Once again, deep inhalation. Feel the retention of breath, relaxed mind. We'll go to next asana, Marjarasana. In Marjarasana, we will keep one hand distance between your both the legs and one hand distance between your hands and your legs. In this position, inhale and arch your back, look up. Now slowly hunk your back, look down, come to Marjarasana 2. Inhale. In next round, we will do Kapalbhati in transition like this. With inhalation, look up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, fast Kapalbhati. Inhale. Once again, inhale. Last round, inhale. And just feel relaxed. For next round, we will do Shvanasana. We'll keep our hands near knee. Arch your back, open up your shoulders and look up. Don't hunk. You have to open your shoulders and look up. Inhale. Relax. Next, we will go for Supta Vajrasana. Keep your hands behind. All the fingers are facing forward. Hang your head freely. Inhale and expand your thorax. Slowly come back, feel relaxed, feel lighter. You can increase the rounds as per your capacity. Stay healthy and heal yourself.